Or you take my cooler first. I borrow the white one.
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
Well, we can go to Bel Air and unload
because you'll unload fish, diba?
And then, yeah. Pwede yun.
Tapos balik ko na lang sa'yo the next day.
Oh.
Ano gawin dyan? Party.
Ano nabenta sila? Dito na tayo. Kayo, gusto nyo magnabenta? Parang
wag na lang.
mahina no? Mas ayos pa dito? Hindi, baka puro buglaw lang uli natin dun Wag na lang. Dati pinapara sila ng tatay ko sila Junior. Kalahating banyerang buglaw, sabi ng tatay ko, tama na, ayoko na yan.
You have to pack it well later, pare. We don't know what.
They want snapper? They want snapper, dude. That's it.
I need an AJ. Marami ka naman AJ, di ba?
Uy, malaki. Bahala ka sa buhay.
Yeah, you can fillet that.
Yeah. Masarap yung malagono, ano? I'll get Sherwin the tangis lawin. He loves that. Yan, bad.
That's a tangis lawin.
No, that's gold.
Ah, that's golden. Okay. Where's the tangis lawin?
There's only one. Yan, pero sa lahat na yan, pero masarap yan sa maya-maya. And we have a lot.
Yeah. Which is the tangis lawin?
Yan, Cookie Monsters.
Yeah, the cookies. Which is the tangis lawin?
Yeah, the cookie malaki mata.
Ah, that's what? The Sherwin likes that?
Yeah.
There's more.
No. Rubies. Okay na, rubies.
Rubes.
Labas mo yung malago na. Pakita mo. Isa lang atin, pero malaki. Parang huhuli na mas malaki.
Kakasya sa cooler, pare. No?
Kasya sa white cooler. Take ko puno na yung Coleman. Napuno na. Yeah, tama. I'll put my fish on top and then you put yours in the bottom.
Balik ko na lang. Oo.
Amberjack!
Morning, Tito!
Wala kami buglaw na isa.
This is a good catch.
Hindi na pupunta na 20 yan. Hindi na magna-90 yan. Pupuro na malapit sa atin. Kasi sometimes my dad, alam niya. He knows. I told him the last time we were close to the same spot, I got hit 9. So I moved.
Yeah.
There they know that fish is gonna get pangin. It's...
They're hitting a good rin eh. Pare, a lot of goldens, oh.
I'll give Mosky one.
Yeah.
They hit up the Mosky, pare. The girl is on the way again.
Huh?
Buntis na naman.
Oh, okay.
Yan ang mga.
Just look around here, huh?
Yeah, I think this area should be productive.
Another maya.
Walang tangis lawin eh.
Meron kami isa, maliit.
Zero. See? Dalawang ruby.
Dalawa pala.
Tatlo.
Tatlo. Liliit. Wala kami buglaw. Ang lowest sa food chain is the ruby snappers. The next morning, pare, make sure you fish na.
Yeah.